Well, hello, my Sagittarian friends. I hope you all are doing well. I am healthy. Thank you for asking. And I feel extremely in the presence of being in gratitude all around me. Thanks that I woke up and I'm healthy, right? And I think you should also feel the same. Please do meditate if you're not. Take care of your health. If you're not, stay indoors if you're not doing that. This is your prediction, tarot prediction. It's a general reading for the month of July 2021. First, we're going to talk about your fortune cookie messages. And, oops, yeah. The fortune cookie over here talks about commitment. I just dropped a card. Give me a sec. Okay, it talks about commitment. I'm going to read this out for you. It says a commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. So whatever was not happening for so long, it is on the rise, and that is something that will make you better. It doesn't matter whether it is business, work, career, or relationship. The commitment that you were looking for, the reciprocation that you were looking for, is now on the horizon, and now you're going to receive that. However, in terms of career and finances, we have four of coins. Okay, now four of coins is talking about holding your money too tightly or too closely. So that is what you will be in the state of mind in the month of July 2021. A lot of you may start saving also, so that's a good sign if you're saving. And some of you are going to really hold on to that last bit of penny really close. Okay, maybe a lot of you don't have a job right now, and you are striving and working out with whatever you can, and you're trying to make the money. So that's the kind of language that I see for now. But again, this is a general reading and energies keep changing. Connect with me for a detailed personal reading and I can help you out, find out more. You can connect with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com or pererashari@yahoo.co.in. Okay, now let's talk about health. You really need to take care of your health, okay, this month. It's the moon card number 18. Number 9 could also be significant for you. Now, the reason you need to take care of your health, it's not only your physical health, but a lot of you are recovering from mental and emotional health as well. There's a lot of emotions being imbalanced at this point in time. You need to get back and balance that. So that's a strong message, okay? When it talks about relationship, it's the Chariot card number 7. It's a beautiful card. That means you're going that extra mile, you're going to the next commitment level, you are celebrating your accomplishments with your lover. You are going to be in the spotlight, your love is going to be in the spotlight. Some of you may be getting engaged. Some of you are celebrating, you are going to be in the celebratory mood, and hence maybe I think career, it's come that you're holding on to that every little penny, so it could relate with that as well. You're going to be successful in relationship overall. That is what I'm saying. For those who are looking for new love, yes, new love is coming on a golden wagon for you, my friend. Okay, so that is what relationship is talking about for the month of July 2021. Again, it's a general reading, so take what resonates, leave it be otherwise. Also, your cards from your spirit guides for this month is, oh my god, it's Archangel Saint Michael. Look at this. Just take a second, breathe in this card, look at it. Okay, it's beautiful. This is Archangel Saint Michael, trusting heaven. You are safe. Angels, stand close, surrender your concerns and allow a miracle to occur. Allow that miracle that you're looking for which you don't have to hold on to your penny too tightly. Allow that miracle to occur. Allow that miracle that is going to help you balance your emotions. Yeah, allow that miracle to occur. So Archangel Saint Michael is here to protect you, guide you, love you and be with you for this month of July. Welcome him in your house, your heart, your mind and in your spirit. And the messages from your angels is reconsider. Some things that's not going right, you need to reconsider and take decisions intuitively, not just with your eyes. Okay, close your eyes, take a deep breath, be in your intuitive mood, listen to what your gut says. I hope you like this reading, and if you did, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and show me the love that you have for me. I would really appreciate that. And until we meet again, my Sagittarian friends, have a great and a safe month of July 2021. Goodbye.